Hi, my name is Carl Soulsbury and I am the Programme Leader for BSc Ecology and Conservation here at the University of Lincoln. I've been involved with the Lovelinks Plant Project since the very beginning, and I've sat on the steering group throughout the duration of this project. It's been of a really important benefit both for myself personally, through the networks I've built up, the networks and understanding of the partner organisations, but also professionally, as the project has contributed really significantly to the development of the BSc programme. Right at the very outset, when we were thinking about developing the Lovelinks Plant Project, a natural spin-off was to develop a new degree here at the University of Lincoln. So the two things are intrinsically twined. During the lifespan of this project, we've had three cohorts of BSc Ecology and Conservation come through the project, and during that time they've significantly benefited from a range of different activities that have been built within the project. As a natural spin-off of this, we've been really fortunate in having many other students from other programs, so for example BSc Biology, BSc Zoology and BSc Animal Behaviour and Welfare students also come and experience training and teaching that comes from within this Lovelinks Plant Project. So from a professional perspective, the whole BSc Ecology and Conservation degree actually was triggered and started by this Lovelinks project. It was the little shove we needed to develop it. Students have specifically benefited from things such as the IDing skills that have been brought into the project. We've benefited from staff coming and showing practical demonstrations of how we work with plants, how we even mount plants and prepare them for herbarium specimen. We've done this both in the lab but also in the field, and upwards of 180 students across all of the different degree programs have benefited from these activities. Secondarily, we've actually used ideas from the Lovelinks Plant Project to benefit things such as assessment. So for example, in our level 1 module, we set up and designed little videos that the students have to create to explain how we identified little plant families. So again, here we're using ideas from within the plant project to inform our wider teaching and inform our wider practice. So the kind of knock-on effects of having the Lovelinks project involved with our degree programme has been absolutely fantastic. An interesting secondary aside has been conservation heritage students who have come across to the Joseph Banks Society and carried out work and worked with people with herbarium specimens, and so therefore an unexpected bonus to our degree programmes. In a wider context, the relationships we've built up during this time, including both with Lincolnshire Wildlife Trust and other partner organisations, have been massively strengthened. We obviously had a working relationship beforehand, but now this is much more two-way, and the communication networks we've built up are going to have a long-lasting impact, not just for the continuation and legacy of this project, but for a whole host of other really important projects that will benefit education but also potentially research in the long term. And from a personal perspective, I've enjoyed what this project has brought to me. It's brought me insight into those partner organisations. It's stimulated my own personal interest in working with historical ecology, looking at conserving valuable resources for future generations. And so from that, on a personal level, the Lovelinks Plant Project has been an incredibly important legacy for both professional and personal aspects. And I'd just like to thank all the partner organisations for the time and effort that they put into this project. It's been a lot of fun, it's had its difficult moments, but I for one have enjoyed every single moment for it, and I look forward to a long and successful future working with these organisations again. Thank you.